The luxury midsize electric SUV market has a sinister new challenger. This is the all-new 2026 Zeekr 7X Black Special Edition. Geely's high-end EV brand just crossed completely over to the dark side, answering intense consumer demand for a menacing, fully blacked-out aesthetic. But don't let the stealthy looks fool you. Underneath this monochrome armor lies a dual-motor monster, built on an ultra-advanced 800-volt architecture designed to humiliate traditional sports cars. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're diving into why this dark night is the ultimate threat to the status quo. Zeekr did a masterful job with the visual overhaul here. Moving away from traditional chrome trim, the Black Special Edition wraps the entire vehicle in a stunning Onyx Gloss paint scheme. Every crucial detail has received the full stealth treatment. The front and rear lower bumpers are finished in deep gloss black, matched perfectly by gloss black lower door moldings and dark structural roof rails. Filling out the muscular wheel arches is a set of unique 20-inch black alloy wheels that give this family crossover an incredibly imposing street presence. While the styling is purely cosmetic, the mechanical blueprint is pulled directly from Zeekr's flagship performance trim. That means you get a jaw-dropping dual-motor all-wheel drive system blasting out 475 kilowatts, which translates to 646 horsepower and 710 newton-meters of instant torque. This family hauler clocks a supercar rivaling 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint in just 3.8 seconds. To make sure that savage speed remains comfortable, it rides on a sophisticated single-chamber air suspension system with continuous control damping, allowing it to seamlessly adapt to any road surface in real time. Step past the fully electronic frameless doors, and the dark theme flows continuously into a gorgeous premium cabin lined with rich, black Napa leather upholstery. Tech provides a sinister look paired with top-tier performance that legacy luxury brands simply can't match. Is this stealthy monster enough to make you look past the usual electric premium choices? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to hit like, subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI, and we'll catch you guys in the very next review.